Today, let's take a deep dive into the extraordinary philanthropic projects as well as initiatives by Ghanaian business magnate Ibrahim Mahama. He is known to be a multi-millionaire and brother of Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama, but not much is known about his projects and initiatives which have vision and generosity in reshaping communities across the nation. So stick with me as we explore the workings of Ibrahim Mahama, Ghana's prominent businessman and philanthropist. But before we dive in, please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button as well, and hit the notification for more inspiring content on Ghana's leaders. Let's get right into it. The first project on the list is the flood preventive efforts and infrastructural projects. Ibrahim Mahama is the CEO of Engineers and Planners and also Jata Cement Limited. Engineers and Planners has executed critical projects from road construction to tailing dams and landfill sites, notably for major mining companies in Takwa and Damang. Jata Cement, a powerhouse since 2018. Though this is his private business, it has supplied high-quality cement for construction projects nationwide, supporting everything from homes to highways. Ibrahim Mahama, through his companies, has also assisted in innovative flood preventive efforts, with the most prominent being 2015's Odo River dredging in Accra and the 2025 Mepe disaster site dredging, both aimed to mitigate flooding and protecting communities. These projects showcase his ability to blend his business acumen with social impact, creating infrastructure that serves millions. By driving construction and flood preventive efforts, Ibrahim Mahama has been helping lay the foundation for a stronger, more connected Ghana, proving that infrastructure is the backbone of progress. At number 2 is the Tamale Secondary School dormitory construction. As it is evident that education is the bedrock of progress, Ibrahim Mahama has shown his commitment to transforming learning environments with his philanthropy. His bold construction project, which was a 550-bed dormitory at Tamale Secondary School in the northern region, has been a game changer for the institution. After a fire destroyed the school's previous facility, Ibrahim Mahama stepped in with a vision to create a modern, safe space for students. This project wasn't just about the bricks and mortar, it was about giving the young Ghanaians from underserved areas a chance to thrive. By providing comfortable accommodation, he ensured that the students could focus on their studies without the burden of inadequate housing. The dormitories still serve as a hub for learning, fostering the next generation of leaders in a region often overlooked. Mahama's foresight in prioritizing educational infrastructure reflects his belief that empowering youth is key to Ghana's future. This 550-bed dormitory in Tamale is a shining example of how targeted investment can uplift entire communities, making education accessible and dreams attainable. Next on the list, at number 3, is the Ibrahim Mahama Scholarship Programs for students. Ibrahim Mahama's brilliance has been extended to empowering the youth through his transformative scholarship program. With a deep understanding that education is the pathway from poverty, he has for years poured his resources into sponsoring students, covering tuitions and essentials to ensure that they can pursue their academic goals. He stated that his vision is clear. By removing financial barriers, he is unlocking the potential of Ghana's future doctors, engineers and innovators. Each scholarship granted is a seed planted for the long-term community development, creating ripples of opportunities that extends far beyond the individual recipient. Ibrahim Mahama's strategic scholarships, which focus on education, ensures that the underserved regions gain access to the tools needed for progress. His scholarship initiatives is a powerful reminder that investing in people is the most sustainable way to build a nation, and Ibrahim Mahama is leading the charge with unmatched dedication, with very few knowing of this philanthropic side of him. At number 4 is the healthcare support in northern and Zongo communities. Healthcare is a fundamental right, and Ibrahim Mahama's innovative approach to improving access to northern and Zongo communities is nothing short of inspiring. Driven by his personal loss of his mother's battle with cancer, he has championed healthcare initiatives that bring hope to the underserved. His contributions, including funding medical facilities and spearheading cancer awareness campaigns, ensures that these deprived areas receive critical care. And by supporting clinics and health programs, Ibrahim Mahama is reducing disparities and saving lives. His vision goes far beyond the treatment. It's about prevention and education, empowering communities to take charge of their health. His strategic blend of compassion and action is transforming healthcare landscapes, making quality care a reality for thousands. Ibrahim Mahama's efforts are a beacon of equity, proving that even the most marginalized can access the care they deserve, with leadership and generosity aligning. At number 5, we have the Youth Entrepreneur Support and Economic Development. This project is fueling prosperity. Ibrahim Mahama's entrepreneurial spirit is a contribution to the driving force behind Ghana's economic growth, and the support for young entrepreneurs is a masterstroke. Through his companies, Engineers and Planners and Jata Cement Limited, he has created jobs and mentors aspiring business leaders. His brilliant insight is that empowering the youth with resources and guidance can spark economic transformation, and by backing startups and attracting investment, Ibrahim Mahama is fostering a new generation of innovators in mostly underserved communities. His business employs thousands, injecting millions into the local economy, while his mentorship programs provide the knowledge needed to succeed. This mentorship initiative is not just about the wealth creation, it's about building sustainable communities where young Ghanaians can dream big and achieve bigger. Ibrahim Mahama's vision is a blueprint for prosperity, proving that economic empowerment is a key to a thriving nation. At number 6, we have the disaster relief for flood victims. Ibrahim Mahama's heart for his people shines through in his massive disaster relief efforts. His brilliance lies in swiftly mobilizing resources to support communities battered by flooding. In 2003, he spearheaded a monumental relief campaign for 20,000 households devastated by the Akotombo Dam spillage in the Central, South, North Tongu, and Keita constituencies. His team delivered an impressive array of essentials like thousands of bags of rice, cans of mackerel, bottles of cooking oil, packs of water, and student mattresses, ensuring families had food, hydration, and shelter during their darkest hours. Fast forward to 2025, Ibrahim Mahama's compassion shone again when he donated a substantial sum to aid flood victims in the Volta region hit by destructive tidal waves. This strategic support empowers communities to rebuild and recover, proving that his vision extends beyond charity to fostering resilience by addressing immediate needs and laying the groundwork for recovery. Ibrahim Mahama's relief efforts are a cornerstone of hope, touching tens of thousands of lives and reinforcing community strength across Ghana's flood-prone regions. These 6 listed initiatives and projects by Ibrahim Mahama have been entrepreneurial empowerment and philanthropic support reshaping Ghana's future. His visionary support transforms communities from flood-hit villages to underserved schools and clinics, while his businesses build the roads and structures that connect a nation. These initiatives are a promise of hope, opportunity, and progress for every Ghanaian. And if all the affluent in the society gave back to the country, it would be a much better place. What inspires you most about the listed work of Ibrahim Mahama? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below and hit the like button to inform others as well about the philanthropic works of Ibrahim Mahama, and subscribe to this channel for more stories of Ghana's transformation. Together, let's celebrate the bold strides of the philanthropic few we have in the country, and check out this next video on other stories that will inspire you. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.